Good day, everyone. Today we are looking at the purchase order. I'm logging in through the person responsible to raise the purchase order. I key in the credentials, click on login. I'll click on refresh to refresh the data. I'll go to PPM, that's purchase processing. Under that, I'll choose the purchase order. To create a purchase order, I'll simply click on create. I'll put in where the billing has to be done. I can I can press hash, it'll bring me the list. So it's exactly where we are doing that. Ship to, I'll again press hash. It'll bring in the details where it needs to be delivered. I can choose the store or can simply move it. The executive name would be the person who is logged it, would come in by default. I'll press hash to bring in the list of documents. For now, we are ordering items which are required as part of spare parts and are bought locally. So it's the domestic spare parts is the document that I'm referring to. The purchase team is making this requisition or this purchase order. So next is I need to select the supplier. I will press hash all. I'll type hash all to bring the entire list, or I can simply type first three characters to bring the supplier. I press enter to select the supplier. From the addresses, I can select the addresses by pressing enter or moving up and down. Contact details of the person. Uh, this is non-mandatory, but in case you want to specify, you can do that. Email ID and contact number again non-mandatory. If you want, you can specify that here. Shipping details, you can specify the company through which the movement of goods will happen, the method in terms of it is going to rail, road, train, likewise. So you can specify that. There is a drop down that can be referred by clicking on, by pressing hash, you'll get the list here. Likewise, eco terms you can specify, just press hash, you can get the list and select accordingly. Insurance again, you're taking the insurance or not, yes and no are the two options that are available. By clicking hash, you can get the drop down list. Shipping details are non-mandatory. You want to skip them, you can do that. If you want to capture it, please go ahead and do so. Moving on to the reference type, we are creating a direct purchase order. So I press hash, it gives me the list. I'll select the purchase order. I'll specify the arrival date. By default, it will indicate the current date, but if I need to choose any other date, I can do that. And if I want to specify anything in the amount, I can do that, like at the uh, urgent requirement is what I capture here. Okay. Now this is the header which I'm saving at the top. Right? This captures the details for the order apart from the items. Now I move on to the items which I need or to specify in the order. I have to press any key, so I'm pressing a space bar just to bring the order, the item list. It shows me the entire item list. I can scroll down and choose, or I can search. Hypothetically, I'm looking for a belt, time belt that I need, and I can select from here. I'll indicate the quantity, say 200 pieces is what I require. The price per belt is say 30 rupees. They give us a 5% discount, and this belt needs to be quoted. Okay, this was the item level remarks that are or specifications which I wanted to specify. I've done that here. I want to add any other item, I can do that again. Right. Say I need another belt. Yes, 100 pieces is what 200 pieces is what I'm looking for this time. The pricing is say 50 rupees. And here they give us 10% discount. And there's no specification or remarks that I want to capture, so I'll simply click add. I've added two items. I can save on them. Till the time I'm saving it, these records do get captured and saved, and I can come back and edit them or add more items to here. Once done, and I have entered everything and I want to finalize it, I'll click on finalize. The order will get finalized and will move to the next level for approval. Here, if you see, the items have got finalized. The details are specified here. I am the person who has executed this, and it's also indicating who's the next in line to approve it and when was this created. So this is the process of raising a purchase order. In the next video, we'll cover the approval process. Thank you. Good day.